Radhe Radhe ACFs. I am Simran, your guiding soul. We are starting a new year, full of hope, full of plans, and full of lists. But let's be honest, most of those lists become another source of stress by February. We plan for tomorrow, but we must remember this that life has no second chance. We only get this one moment, this one breath, and this one opportunity. No one knows what will happen in the next second. This is not to mean to scare you, it's meant to wake you up, to stop delaying your happiness and your growth. This is exactly where traditional New Year resolutions fail. They make us wait for a future version of life. But here's the truth, your resolution must be an action you take right now. Instead of waiting for the new year to change you, become the person you want to be today. Act like a financial disciplined person today. Let be if you want the healthy body, then act like a healthy person today. This simple shift moves your focus from a distant goal to an immediate powerful choice. Because if we truly have no second chance, then we cannot wait. We must act now, even while fighting our own habits. Don't rely only on willpower. Willpower is just like a phone battery, it drains. Your environment is the permanent charger. Keep your health supplement next to your coffee mug. Leave your running shoes near the front door. Organize your desk. Keep your phone away when you work. Remove the friction between you and your progress. And remember, no one knows what happens in the next second, so be gentle with yourself in this one. You will slip up. You will miss a day. That is life. The real danger is missing 2 days. Never let yesterday's mistakes steal today's opportunity. Accept the mistake, learn the lesson, and recommit to your next immediate action. This year, let's honor the most precious matter of your life, that is time. Stop waiting for January. Stop waiting for Monday. Stop waiting for a second chance. You are living it right now. So choose wisely, choose now.